That's a good question. If I accepted here, I will do my best. Ownership, get a lot of money, improve my cooking skills. I believe I can be a professional chef and makes my parents proud of me. I really want to travel around the world with someone that I love, especially my family. After I'm quitting ownership, I'll back home. My next future plan, about 5 or 10 years, I'm going to make a lot of job for the others in Indonesia. Why I wanna make a lot of job in Indonesia? Because I really want to reduce unemployment in Indonesia. That was my dream. And I wish this could happen and I can get what I want. Yeah, that's all about my future plan. Thank you.